Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, one thing I don't do a lot of is really short hair. My aunt, we never did a video for my YouTube channel, but we did do an IGT video a couple of months ago. I had to film it because she's never dyed her hair ever. This is my father's sister. She's always against lightening your hair and coloring, let alone bleaching. So finally she was like, let's just do it. I brought her in real quick, we did it, and she loved it. Today I'm gonna show you how to touch up her root for a person you're doing highlights on, but also tips and tricks in there for how to foil short hair and make it a little bit easier. If this is something you guys want to see, then keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today my aunt needs her roots done and I'm going to show you guys how I do that using my favorite Oxycur with 20 volume and a 1/16 ounce of Olaplex. There's no wrong way when doing foil work. It's all about being creative and having your own artistry. For her, I like doing 2 in the middle, 2 on the left, 2 on the right. The horizontal are the 2 in the middle. And then on the sides, I do left and right on a slight diagonal, which moves with the round of the head and flows beautifully. Something that also has helped me when foiling really short hair has been Framar Foils. If you guys have been supporting me and following me for quite some time, you see me use all kinds of products and tools. I love the flimsier foils, and I recently fell back in love with Framar, but I will tell you this, when I first started foiling and really, honing my craft of foil work, Framar foils were the best because they have an embossed texture, and wherever you put them, they stay. They do not slip easily. So a big tip when foiling short hair is to use Framar foils.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through.
Alright guys, so I want to show you real quickly a couple of tricks when foiling short hair. So, number one, when I'm doing a mohawk with anybody, I like to do them really small, minimum subsections. Because if you start doing thicker sections like this, what's going to happen with the mohawk, and this is why I never really was a fan of it, even if I did a baby light like that, all this subsection left out would make it look stripey. Because when it falls, it's going to be stripes all the way down. The best thing about the mohawk is you don't have to really think about it. It's just you keep going and just follow the straight path, and you can whip it out quickly. But a couple of tips, I go in, I do my baby light. And sometimes when there's short hair, these parts, hers is a little bit longer, but it will stick up. What you can do, it will slow you down, but take a clip, take that hair, and clip that hair down to these foils, so that when you take your foil and grab your hair, you don't have to worry about trying to keep it down. Once you start doing it more and more, and you get really good and comfortable with foiling, you'll notice that I just use my pinky and hold it down, but you wanna make sure you're getting good tension and right up to that root. Now, I know everybody's scared of overlapping lightener. I get it. I know it. It's damaging. We all do know that. We're aware of that. And in school back in the day, it used to be bleach it once, it's blonde, bleach it twice, it is gone. And those days are long gone behind us. Now we have insurance such as Olaplex and Bond Builders, and Schwarzkopf Blommy has it built into their bleach, and a lot of other bleaches are coming out with it. All these different things in technology, time is changing, and we're able to push the hair a little bit further. Now, sometimes a client might have mineral buildup from hard water. They might have hair getting healthy that hasn't been lightened in a very long time. That cuticle starts getting healthier, it starts closing, tightening up again. When you do the roots, you're going to get hot roots because they're going to tone a lot better and lighter, where the ends are going to look dingy and drab. So as you see, a bulk of my product is put on the new regrowth, and then as my brush has less product on it, or if it has too much, I'll wipe it off all the way, and I'll run that brush down through those old pre-lightened ends, and that little bit of a lightener on there will eventually dry up. It's not enough to really saturate, but it will be enough to literally kick out through and open that cuticle up again, so it takes toner a lot better. Quickly, another one of my favorite tips for foiling short hair is my B-board. Becky Miller makes these B-boards and they're amazing. I swear this is my favorite one. I've tried so many. I love using my board for underneath the nape and around the ears, but it is great for short hair foiling. You've seen how easy it allows me to apply my product, have a base, and you can even tilt it up on a little angle, and it will allow you to get even closer to the root. Another trick, you see me wiping with my brush the lightener off after I wiped it down through the ends. I took my comb and I literally scraped the product off of it. That will allow it to have enough on there to push open that cuticle, but not damage. I'm going to do an in-depth video, you guys. I've done a video a long time ago in the beginning of my channel on overlapping, but I have a lot of new tips and tricks, and I'm going to do a new version and a better version of that. So if that's something you want to see, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll get to it as soon as possible.
But I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. The seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall you came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. Each time of year carries memories, like a never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing, just like another season. Don't want another day without you by my side. Oh, this season. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Just like another season.
All right, come stand over here. Right here, Diane, in front of this wall. Huh? Like right here. I was wondering why you walked around. Look at how we touch those roots up. Look how beautiful, you guys. All my tips and tricks that I showed you. It's windy out, but it blends so well with those roots. And look how beautiful that shadow is. People get scared of a shadow, but it literally is a 5 and it doesn't even look that dark. It just merges her natural in with this color. And it always fades beautifully. Like, we don't even have to tone it in between. It just lightens up beautifully. All right, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video and look forward to seeing my aunt's face because she has a couple other videos with me coming out. Have a good day, guys. It's freezing. Bye. As always, so long for now.